Execution over the most recent a year. Most recent Gala news. Gala specialized investigation today. Is Gala a wise speculation? Gala Games investigation video. Could Gala at any point reach $1, $10, and $100? Gala value expectation 2023 to 2030 execution over the most recent a year. May 26th last 5 days, plus 1.1%. Outperformer last multi-month, 24.8%. Underperformer last a half year, plus 16.5%. Underperformer last 1 year, 62.8%. Underperformer Gala Games most recent news. May 26th Gala Games has started consumes of $Gala tokens to meet local area demands illustrated in its 2023 vision paper, resolving to every year consume $2 billion Gala. Moreover, to address worries of potential leave tricks, it has chosen to consume a critical part of our stores, killing any dangers. Gala Games has declared updates to Mythical Beast Strike, Puzzle RPG, with highlights, for example, printing max-level legends as player-claimed non-fungible tokens controllable through the Gala Games wallet. Clients can now call NFT-prepared legends straightforwardly from the bringing entry utilizing pearls, without requiring a look of stamping. The Planetary Association is set to present another tank model called the Knight, including 4 new, exchangeable tank parts roused by old Earthican folklore. This incorporates the Carver weapon, a staggering scuffle weapon designed from old extragalactic history, the Mantis body, which offers both speed and solidness, the Archmage skin for extra speed and energy, and the Roman crest prop that adds reinforcement and actual protection from the tank. Gala Games has declared the presentation of a game called Poker Go Play. Gala coin value expectation for the following 6 hours. Gala coin cost for the following couple of hours will be in the scope of 0.0298 and 0.0304. Gala coin specialized examination. May 26th moving midpoints demonstrate a negative pattern, with all mama values flagging a sell feeling. RSI shows a worth of 39.843, demonstrating a sell opinion. STOCH has a worth of 21.873, proposing a sell signal. The stochastic RSI shows a worth of 50.975, demonstrating an impartial position. MACD has a worth of 0.002, proposing a sell signal. ADX shows a worth of 26.191, demonstrating a negative opinion. Hence, the general specialized examination for Gala is solid sell. Gala value expectation 2023, 2025, 2030 long-haul value forecasts are presumably exact according to a directional perspective, however probably not going to be exact as far as the numbers determine. We gather estimates from across the web and would unequivocally suggest focusing on the rationale, design, separation, and rivalry as dissected before and later than the actual value. 1. Gala is probably going to start recuperation in the final part of 2023 as the by and large monetary environment improves, and in this way the Gala coin value expectation 2023 is 6 cents too. 2024 and 2025 may probably help Gala according to a recurrent perspective, which may likewise help in conveying more current gaming encounters. In this way, the Gala value expectation 2025 is 9 cents 3. Between 2025 and 2030, there is probably going to be a blended period and with a lot higher reception rates for play to procure stages while likewise being harmed by monetary slumps. Accordingly, Gala value forecast 2030 is 22 cents. Will Gala go up or will Gala recuperate? 2022 was certainly not an extraordinary year for Gala token. Its cost fell by over 87% in 1 year, considering that it was valued at 32 cents in January 2022. Notwithstanding, 2023 saw 3 significant siphons on the rear of ideal declarations by Gala. There is likewise the likelihood that the monetary climate will further develop throughout the following couple of months, which ought to likewise give Gala a major push. Will Gala reach $10? The numerical let us do a few computations. At $10, the market cap of Gala would be multiple times higher than Gala's cost in October 2022, or about $70 B, considering how different digital currencies, BTC, ETH, SOL, ADA, and various other digital forms of money have ascended throughout the course of recent years. It is entirely to be expected for any digital currency to rise 250 overlap in a genuinely quick manner. Be that as it may, it is unreasonable to expect what occurred in 2021 with most altcoins or even with Ethereum or Bitcoin to repeat. Those siphons are probably not going to be rehashed, given that we are probably not going to rehash the Fed-driven liquidity siphon from 2008 to 2021. Thusly, it's a good idea to gauge the future Gala cost with a more moderate 30%. Presently, even 30% gives off an impression of being very high if one somehow managed to contrast it in the securities exchange. Thusly, a very safe gauge shouldn't just be founded on 30% yet additionally with the understanding that half of the coins will be scorched. Hence, if Gala somehow managed to increase at the pace of 30% per annum, it would take $Gala 22 years or the year 2044 to reach $10. Could Gala at any point reach $10? Examination of information. Gala has figured out how to arrive at an ATH or an untouched exorbitant cost of 83 cents in 2021. Gala's ongoing cost ranges somewhere in the range of 0.04 and 0.05 and has a market cap of around $350 m. On the off chance that Gala were estimated at $10, the market cap would be $7.10 billion. The play to acquire market is anticipated to increment by 20 increase throughout the following 3 years. Gala could be estimated in a place between $6 minus $10 by 2027 to 30. So the response to the inquiry, might Gala at any point reach $10, is that given the hazardous development in play to acquire games, Gala can undoubtedly reach $10 in the following 4-5 years. One more intriguing method for taking a gander at play to procure games is to view at each gaming stage as a small nation, and buys and deals inside the game are seen as business the game. When rethought along these lines, game tokens like Gala have a lot more promising time to come than most image and altcoins. Gala value expectation $100. If Gala $10 is a troublesome exertion, it would require much more work to reach $100. For this situation, we make a more safe presumption of 25% per annum. The market cap would be $700 billion and it would require 35 years or 2057 to arrive at this level. Could Gala at any point coin reach $1,000? Coming to $1,000 appears to be unimaginable considering Gala's ongoing development rate and the economic situations of financial elements. Here is the itemized examination. Gala coin should develop by multiple times to arrive at a cost as high as $1,000. Gala coin arrived at its untouched exorbitant cost of 75 cents in November 2021, where it developed by 8.33 times in under 1 month. Consequently, taking into account its 8.33 times development in 1 month, we can say that the Gala coin will expect about 4,000 months to reach $1,000. Consequently, it isn't by any stretch of the imagination down to earth. Will Gala coin reach $1? Indeed, Gala coin will reach $1 given the probable development in play to procure games until 2030. We expect a development gauge of around 35%. It would require 11 years for Gala coin to reach $1. Will Gala go down? As framed before, Gala has siphoned essentially throughout the course of recent weeks. It is probably going to go down a bit in the event that there are no more market-level siphons. Gala token value expectation. How to purchase Gala. Gala is step-by-step becoming one of the most well-known digital currencies. There has been a fast ascent popular for Gala. Here are the moves toward purchase Gala. Choose a trade that rundowns Gala tokens. Sign up for a record on your preferred trading. This will normally include giving your name, email address, and other essential data. Verify your record by giving some type of recognizable proof, like a visa or driver's permit. Deposit assets into your trade account utilizing a bank move or a credit check card. Once your assets have been kept, you can utilize them to purchase Gala tokens. Just quest for Gala on the trade. Pick the exchanging pair you need to utilize and submit your purchase request.